Every decision we made, every path we took, led us to one thing: a better phone to empower you. You got videos to watch and feeds to scroll, so there's a wider edge-to-edge screen that still fits in your hand. You've got apps to run. New hardware unlocks and processes quicker, while our screen is more fluid and more responsive. Smoother? You got that too, thanks to a 90 Hz refresh rate, with richer, sharper, deeper colors and detail. You've got photos to take, with 3 lenses instead of 1, so you can shoot wide angle, ultra wide angle, and telephoto, to always get the full picture. Even in backlight, and with almost no light, so your images always look spot on. You've got things to do, places to be, so there's Warp Charge. Just 30 minutes to keep you moving. And you've got dual speakers, so when you're gaming, you don't get played. You've even got video stabilization, so you can always keep it steady. We came, we listened, we made the phone you want. Introducing the new OnePlus 7T. Never settle.